are in the middle of the desert mountain. Going to find Memo. Yun ang mga mountain.
Dry na dry. Very dry.
Sige, patay mo na. Trip to Las Vegas.
Kasama si Gigi.
Ayan nga oh. Trip to Las Vegas. Pasyal-pasyal na kasama ang mga bagets. Yan oh, mga bagets.
Mga bagets. 70s.
Ito ang pinaka-bagets oh. Ang saya-saya, makagala.
Kunin ko muna yung regalo ko para iiwanan sa kapwa. Hindi ko naman tayo hintayin yun.
One day vacation to Las Vegas with Auntie Song and Auntie Desi.
Hindi sila Virgie.
We are in Manila. Manila pala to, Manila. Manila Way, Las Vegas. Maraming Pilipino. We are in here in a Shanghai Resort Hotel. So we have one night check-in with my
messenger dito.
grandma. Ayan no. Yan grandma. Yan. So, hindi yan, first time niya kasi dito sa hotel. So, hindi niya pa alam kung paano
Ano
gumamit.
yung kakalabitin niyo sa...
Yan, hindi kalabitin mo siya.
Sisig. Oy!
Ayan o, yung guhit.
Ito?
Oo, isasave mo. Oo. Yan. Lahat igaganyan mo. Allow. I-allow mo. So, mahirap pag may kasama kang matanda kasi hindi niya alam kung paano gumamit ng cellphone. So, ayan kami. Yan. Third floor. Third floor. Third floor.
Sort Tower 2.
33. We're room 33. Third floor.
Tower 2?
Yeah.
Third floor.
Tower 2?
Room 33.
Yeah.
Could we have
But is it Tower
water?
2?
Yes.
Free water, please.
Let me get your ladder.
Yeah, get one there.
You get me for
That's
one
why I
or-
get one there. Huh?
Nasud lang sa card. Asa? Where is it?
Oh, here.
Sige.
Get it. Room 33.
It's not in here.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Ha? 7th floor ba yan?
7th floor, 33, room 33. Pero this is wrong. This is 7.
Oh, 7th floor.
Yes,
Room 33. We're going to room 33. We're going to room 33. Ano number ba nakalagay? Two o 723. Yeah.
20, 733.
Oo.
Galing mo siya. Pasok mo dito sa...
Welcome to our humble house.
Kaya ako maibigi.
Here. Doon kay empty Debbie. And this is my bed here. Yan. This is the Inland Empire Annual Visitors Guide for dine in for the guests here in the hotel to choose the food here. Yeah, yeah. This is all the food here. Yeah. And if you see this is the one exactly of my necklace diamond. Yeah.
Dito ka may Roy dyan ka.
Oo. May ganito ako, diamond na necklace. May ganito akong diamond necklace.
Ano?
Yung ganito.
Oh.
Kaya lang tiyatabi ko. Kasi dalawa yung ganyan ko. Yan, this is
I don't know.
yeah, this is the pool look. This is the pool look. Beautiful pool. Yeah. Tulog muna tayo. Ay, kain pala. Nakalimutan ko. Sakit na
Kumain na kayo?
Hindi pa. Hinihintay kita ka namin. Hindi, di ba? Pinakwan ko pa lang yung card.
Sa food court. Hindi kayo napunta?
Hindi pa kasi yung card nga pinaayos pa nga. So, ayan.
Ano bang pinayos doon sa card mo? Ayan, oh.
Saan? Dito, dyan.
Oo, gusto mo makipagsiping kayo.